Guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video, we're gonna explore the Canva settings. You're gonna learn how to change Canva language, profile picture, name, login options, enhance privacy, receive less emails and notifications, and other important settings. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, review the left side of your Canva. I'm using the Windows app, but you can also use the canva.com website. Review the left side of menus, okay? And you're gonna click on your photo. You're gonna be into the bottom left side of your screen. Click on it. Now we're gonna be able to find the settings option, okay? Click on it. Then into the first option, your profile, we can see the language preferences right here. And we can simply type another language to change it, okay? For example, Brazilian Portuguese, Spanish, English from Australia, English from Philippines, okay? All the language you want. All you have to do is select and you are good to go, okay? Then let's explore the login options. We have password, we have security. You can sign off for all devices. You can request to download our information. You can request to delete your account. We have accessibility options where you can change the theme. It can be on light, light and dark, or all dark. We can change the high color contrast in the case that you prefer. Up to you. We have captions and other options. We can manage preferences from receive updates and offers from Canva, what's new, design school, special days, design challenges, recommendations, all up to you and to your needs, okay? And you can choose the frequency. You can be all weekly, monthly, fees for 3 months, up to you. We have the personal privacy, that is the most important one right here, okay, to enhance your privacy. Allow personalized marketing, no place. Personalize Canva ads in other websites, no please. Enhance your user profile with information from third-party providers, no thank you. Share my design usages with collaborators, up to you and to your needs, okay? This is your privacy option. But with these 3 options out, you are already in good hands, okay? And you have your themes options where you can be part of our team or go out of a team. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.